I'm Don Duganhass from the Paleontological Research Institution and its Museum of the Earth, and I'm going to talk a little bit about where CO2 comes from. We're going to look at a specific CO2 source, gasoline. Americans burn about 380 million gallons of gas on the average day. That works out to be more than a gallon per person per day. Wow. Where's that go? Well, first we want to know more about that gallon. It weighs a little over 6 pounds. So if you're using 10 gallons of gasoline a week, you're burning about 60 pounds, more than 60 pounds of gasoline per week. What happens to that 60 pounds? Does it just disappear? Well, you might think that it just goes up in smoke, but we know that matter can neither be created nor destroyed, only changed in form. A little middle school science refresher there. So, what is gasoline? Well, it's a mixture of hydrocarbons, chemical compounds made purely from hydrogen and carbon, organic compounds. On average, its chemical formula is something like this: C8H18, that is octane. And what do you get when you burn octane? You get carbon dioxide and water. Here's what that looks like schematically. We've got an octane molecule and 12 and a half oxygen molecules. You won't really find a half of an oxygen molecule floating around very much, but for the sake of the illustration, that's what we're doing. So when we burn it, when we have that combustion reaction, we move things around like this, something like this, and we've got now the 8 carbon dioxide and 9 water molecules. And these 8 molecules that we've ended up with, they weigh a whole bunch more than this octane molecule. So, well, when you look at the carbon dioxide and water, it weighs more than the gasoline than we started with. Being more specific, burning this 6-pound gallon of gasoline yields 19 pounds of CO2. Again, I say, wow.